Hello and welcome back to my video. So in this video I want to inform you one of the very important information that some of the trader and some of the learner already request me for a long time ago, but I'm quite busy, so now I can arrange time to do it. It is the Discord channels. Discord channels is a place we can discuss everything related to the trading and also some my strategies to help you fully understand and also easier to absorb my knowledge. The first one, my Discord channel name is Trading for Living. Here also is my purpose for this trading career. And the second thing, on the Discord channels, we have some of the main part. You can see it right on the vertical line like this, vertical column. And for example, start here, you can read some of the information right here with the hashtag. It's welcome and rules. I will publish some of the rule right here. Very simply, is no promotion, no advertisement, or no impolite words in my channels. I think most of serious trader come into my Discord channels or come into my course is very serious. Therefore, this one is no problem. And the second one is some information about me and channel guidance. We have three main parts. About the key level discussion, we will discuss all things related to the key level strategies. I mean that's the level 1 in my technical analyzation method. And the second one is a smart money discussion. In this part, we will discuss all things related to smart money. In each of the part, you can see right here we have the theory, the practicing part, and the other topics. The first one about the theory. About the theory part, we will discuss all the problems related to the theory that you don't understand on the course. And the second one is practicing. When you by testing my strategies and you got some of the problem, and you can discuss with me right into this part. And of course, some other trader already understand my strategies, also can come into this part and help you to solve your problem very quickly. And other topics is in some of the problem not related to both problem. And for the smart money, also same theory. We also have three small part like this. And on the weekly forecast, this one I think is very useful because this one related to the real trading on the chart. On the Monday of the 8th week, I will publish or sharing some of my analysis to this part to help you can understand how I analyze on the real chart and what happened in the next weeks to understand and get a real feeling about the markets, about the market movement. And on this part, we have three small parts. The first one is forex discussion. We discuss all things related to forex and cryptocurrency and stock. You can leave your questions, leave your charts right into this part to help you understand and help you easier, and also other traders can solve the problem for you. And the last one is chased in 4 parts. For this part, I will sharing some of the announcement. For example, I writing some of the indicators I can sharing with you, or some of the plan I will sharing on these channels. And the last one is some of the other channels I normally use. The first one is the YouTube channels. You can come into this link and trading views. I normally publish some of my analysis on the trading view right here. You can see that here is my trading views, and I already published some of the analysis. You can see right here I forecast the New Zealand dollars will be increasing from the key level of the 4 hours time frame and maybe break out POI on the smaller time frame, and you can see what happens after that, and the markets come very strongly. And next one, for example, I also analyze some of the entry right here. You can see that here is a USD JPY, and for the smart money concept, this one is very nice, and you can see that the market tap into our PY and go down again. And I think the knowledge and the information can help you come faster, become profitable traders. And one of the parts I want to sharing with you is a money discounts. This one for the new trader or for the trader or learner don't enroll my course. Of course, you still can refer some information on my Discord channels. This is open communities. But in case you want to get discount on my course, you can refer this link. I will update this one every month. For any problem, you can leave right in these channels for me. Thank you very much.